Hello, dear friends! Can you see these colorful beads? Let's use this clip to pick the right color bead and put it on the right fruit. Are you ready? Uh-oh, it's Whooshy Cloud! He blew the beads away! Oh no, friends! Can you help me find the beads?
Yes!
Let's go! Cup stacking? Oh, I know! We need to stack the cups at the back just like the picture, and we have to finish in 5 seconds. Ready? Let's start! Yay! That's right! Great job! Okay, now let's stack all the cups together. Did you see that? Yes! We found the first bead! It's brown! Avocado! Hi, Teddy! Today is your birthday! Which fruit do you want to use to decorate your cake? We have banana, cherry, and orange.
I want cherry, please.
Sure! We have a few cherries here. Let's put them on the cake. Okay, it's ready to serve. Here is your birthday cake, Teddy. Happy birthday.
Yay! Thank you so much! Nom nom nom! So yummy!
Hey friends, look! Here are 2 red beads. 1, 2, cherry! It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and Little Bear wants something to eat. Sushi?
No.
Oh, he doesn't want that. How about roast chicken?
No.
Nope, not that either. Steak?
No.
He doesn't like that either. Oh, he keeps looking at this apple, so he just wants a light snack. An apple. Yes! And look what we got. 3 green beads. 1, 2, 3, apple. Friends, today we have a task. We need to buy mangosteen juice and bring it home. Let's go. Is it in the fridge? No, not this one. Grape juice? No. Milk? No. Where is the mangosteen juice? This one? Let's see. Yes, it's the one! We found it! It costs $5. Here you go. Thank you. Hooray! We got 4 white beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, mangosteen. Let's count together. 1, 2. Yes, we found number 2. 2 slices of lime. 1. Yes, here it is. 1 slice of watermelon. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. 5 slices of pineapple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4! 4 apple slices. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Number 3! 3 slices of orange. Look, what's inside the popsicle? Some orange beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, orange. Let's wash some fruits to eat. Pear. Strawberry. So juicy. Wow, it turned into pink beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strawberry. What's inside this green egg? It's a bell pepper. What about the yellow egg? It's corn. Last, the blue egg. It's blue beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blueberries. This is a durian. Yes, here is a spiky shape. Perfect. Banana. This is a peach. Pear. This is a watermelon slice. Pineapple. Woohoo! Here's our reward. Black beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sugarcane. Let's cut some fruits together. Wow, look! The lemon turned into yellow beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lemon. Looks like we have a puzzle to solve. Let's do it. This piece. Yes, found the right spot. This one. Yep, easy. Does this piece go here? No. Here? It doesn't fit. Let's rotate a little and try. Yay, it fits perfectly. And the last piece goes here. Done!
Hey friends, good job! Here's your reward!
Wow, we got a lot of purple beads. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grapes! Give yourself a big clap, friends! You found all the color beads! Great job! Did you have fun watching this video? If you want to watch more, don't forget to ask your parent to subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Bye!